Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to find a voided check using the Chase mobile app, which is useful for things like setting up direct deposit or linking external accounts. To get started, open the Chase mobile app and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the checking account you need the voided check for. Next, look for an option that says Account Details or Account Information and tap on it. In this section, you'll find important details like your routing number and account number. Many times, Chase will also give you the option to view or download a direct deposit form, which works the same way as a voided check. If you see the option for a direct deposit form, tap on it and download or share the document. This form includes your name, bank routing number, and account number, and can be used in place of a physical voided check. If you don't see a direct deposit form in the app, you can also access it by signing into Chase on a web browser, selecting your checking account, and looking under account details or setup options. Once you have the form, you can send it or upload it wherever a voided check is required. That's it for this video. If this tutorial helped you find the voided check in the Chase app, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.